excited to meet one another once again. And you are too engrossed in small talks, busy to look at everyone's and identify each everyone's changes. Siyempre, may lumaki, ayan, may tumaas, may gumandang mabuti, at medyo tumaba. Parang ako. After 9 years, if only I could join you. It has been 19 years. Time is really so fast. We were just high school students then, and now, I believe that many of you have kids who are now in high school. Yung iba, single pa rin. Isn't it? Ang bilis ng panahon. This must be a very special and good thing for all of us. I know because many who cannot make it today, including me of course, Heron Ferguson, have sent in their well wishes. As she saying goes, there are big ships, there are small ships, but there is no ship like, wala bang palakpak dyan? Welcome to the SPCNSET Class 92 Reunion. Pasensya na, walang practice. On the spot po ito. Time flies, so much have changed. Our looks, our receding hairlines, our waistlines, our addresses. It was a tough job trying to locate all our classmates. I think those who helped out can testify to that. And I would like to acknowledge the patience, hard work, and persistence of the ones who organized this event. Ms. Maricon Vergara, Glenn Elio, Mrs. Fatima Palacio, Christopher Badana, Larry Litera, Josephine Bundat, so many. Hindi ko na matandaan yung iba. Of course, Sayasin. Where is Sayasin? Yan, hello. It was, yan, nalimutan ko na. Okay lang. And we should give them a big round of applause. Big! Big yun. It would indeed be a great pity if somebody missed this wonderful occasion just because the news did not get him or her, sad to say. Yung iba ay hindi naabot na Facebook. This underlines the importance of keeping in contact. So, I hope that after this, one or two of us would volunteer to take up this role of so-called class representatives, whose task is to collect the contacts of our class to expand and maintain the list for future correspondences for future gatherings. I would like to acknowledge the presence of some of our very special guests, Ma'am Santos, Ma'am Aningay, Ma'am Magirang, Ma'am Puyo, Ma'am Daso, Ma'am Bersano, sorry, and Ma'am Bia. My teacher in cosmetology, I remember. You may not remember what lectures they taught us, but I think these are not the things we remember. We remember the people we met, the interesting things they did, and the things we did together. Thank you for giving us words of encouragement. I believe that each and every one of you has your own stories to tell. Would you kindly allow me to make a bold proposal? Since this is a rare occasion, shall we, a tribute to our teachers, let us give all of them a round. Yes! Sabi ng big round of applause eh. Thank you very much. Let us all welcome them. Thank you for all joining us. Once again, let us all acknowledge all the dedication, commitment, and efforts of those who had organized this reunion. This event would not be possible without you guys. Thank you very much. I wish I could join you, all of you, but then I would like all of you to know that you are all in my heart. Oy, nakaka-touch naman. And all of the good things that happened in the past will remain in my heart forever. Once again, welcome to the SPCNSET Class 92 Reunion. God bless us all.
Once again, a thunderous round of applause for the welcome address of Roland Cozon. Tinatawag ko. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, is the opening remarks of Mr. Gary L. Lopez, our Vice President, once again, High School Batch 92. And sorry to say, he was not also here, but he was done his effort just to send his message. He is now Professor in Mathematics in United States of America. And his message will be read by the man who also helped a lot in this reunion. He is the production planning staff in Honda Cars, Philippine Incorporated. He is no other than our G1 of our batch, Glenn Elio. Let us clap our hands for him.
For the opening remarks, una-una, then, on behalf of
Gary.
Best,
Gary Lopez
na yan.
Wala ka na lang
What's
yun.
my-
At saka mataba na siya. Dati mapayat eh. Oy, nasisira yung ano, sayang.
can you let me thank you all for giving me a chance to take part of this most important and memorable event. Parang kailan lang, naalala ko pa ang huling araw na tayo yung magkakasama. Nakaputing toga upang abutin sa entablado isiyansat ang pinaghirapang diploma. Ngayon ay muling nagkita-kita pagkalipas ng 19 na taon. 19 years. Halos 2 dekada na pala ang nadadagdag sa edad natin. Hindi bale. Base na naman sa pictures sa FB, Facebook,
Mukhang bete.
ko pa rin. I can imagine the fun each and everyone feels right now. And this is the only way para magkamustahan at magkakwentuhan. I'm sure, kukulangin ng isang gabi at magdamag sa pagpapaminis ng magagandang nakaraan. Sa loob ng 19 na taon, maraming mga pagbabago na ganap. Marami sa inyo ang ng kani-kaniyang pamilya, masaya at malusog na pamilya, estable na trabaho at magandang pamumuhay. Tila natupad na ang ilan sa ating mga pangarap. I still recall.
Kami nga din, gutom na eh.
Question.
Mali ka sasamahan kita.
Many of you will still remember
Ito.
who are you 10 years from now. Will you be a productive citizen of this country?
Anong gusto mo?
Paano na yan sa
Mali ka
inyo?
sasamahan kita.
Nakasalalay at
Samahan ka niya,
kinabukasan
dali.
ng bayan. Ha? Mga katanungan nakagising at nakakagimbal. We love you for that now. Dahil dyan,
Gab.
nagsumikap ang marami sa amin at patuloy pang nagsisipag upang matupad ang iba pa naming mga pangarap. Sa gayon, may pagmamalaki kami, di lamang ng aming pamilya, kundi pati ng mahal naming mga naging guro at paaral. I will really miss the momentous events. Sobrang saya, tsak na reunion ito. Too bad that some of us won't be able to witness this opportunity to meet classmates, former teachers, and long-lost friends. Anyway, before I shed tears, please accept my deepest thanks to those who unselfishly devote their time making this reunion possible. Kon, isa kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat. Online.
Palakpakan!
Naman ang iyong mga disipulo. Maraming salamat. Kayo ang naging instrument para magkita-kita at mapasaya.
Sama ka sa kanya. Dali, sama kay tita.
And
Dali.
before I end my part,
Samahan kita.
allow me to read this message to you guys. It's true that people come and go, but we can always keep them in our hearts. The memory of being with them will keep us binded. We may not see them face to face. We may not be in their side every minute of their life. We may not share their success and failures. But one thing is for sure. They are always part of our prayers. And I believe, more than enough, good health and God bless you all. Thank you.
Baka naman dyan. Wala na talagang energy.
Kasi gutom na.
Labat na, labat.
Lobat!
Labat na.
Ubangan nila, hindi ba nababawasan? Hindi, diyan kami sa nayo.
Oh, nawala ng ilaw. Nasaan ba ang post nito?
We would like to thank our teachers, mentors for sharing your knowledge, passion, and endless support with us. For without you, we would never be what we are now today. We were so fortunate to have you as our teachers and mentors. Let us give them a round of applause.
Applause!
Batchmate, let us witness the prepared video of Miss Maricon Vergara for our very dear teachers. Folks, let us give our teachers a resounding applause.
Hindi na itong pinapatay kasi ang ilaw. Tapos nga natin. Kaya lang, pag pinos ko kaya to, hindi mabubura. Pakita nung Uy, lapit kayo. Paswe! Paswe! Yan nang galaw ng para. Pinatay ang ilaw. Brenda! Uy, Brenda, tanong mo nga kay kung pag pinos ko to, hindi magsisimula ulit. Kasi patay eh.